All right, guys, so doing a follow-up on the North Mountain soft tonneau cover. I'll put a link to that install video up here. But I just filled up for the first time since I installed this cover. So I ran through most of a tank of fuel with this cover installed, and I got 230.6 miles to 11.685 gallons of gas. So if we round that up to 240 miles and we do 12 gallons, that would be 240 divided by 12, roughly 20 miles to the gallon. So a little less than 20 miles to the gallon. Before I installed this, and even before that, when I was running the camper shell on it, I was getting anywhere from 15 to 17 miles to the gallon. And so you're looking 2+ miles per gallon increase in fuel mileage. And so I'm pretty happy with that. I can maybe improve this fuel mileage a little better by slowing down. I tend to drive a little fast, usually 70 to 80 miles an hour on the highway. And for this little 4-cylinder that's in this thing, it's kind of pushing it. So I could probably get some better mile per gallon numbers, but I'm happy with this increase. Keeps the inside of my bed dry, and keeps dirt and debris out of the bed, and gives me a little better aerodynamics while driving down the road. One thing that I am going to try doing is, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but where these support bars are, when it rains, this feels like it's a little looser than it was originally, so I may try adjusting back here just to increase the tension on the cover just a little bit. I think maybe from new, with it sitting out in 100-degree sun, it's maybe stretched a little bit. And so I don't know if tightening this up will help that or not. It may just continue to stretch, I don't know. I might always have a little bit of low spots when it rains, but it's nothing drastic, just something that I can see in like the little dust puddles that form on here. But for the money, I'm still impressed with the product. It seems to be a pretty good quality, and I did get some fuel mileage gains out of it. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you later.